Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, roll with the marijuana. Waking up with the futures, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I told you so. I go by Michael Edward, though, and I've been trading and investing for over 17 years, and I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my very first job right out of college. While there, I had to go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch even $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened. That was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the fund's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We have members in actually 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. But for those of you that didn't know, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, futures, and crypto. We also cover all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and also even long-term investing. So something literally for everybody here at TDG. You see, we take that university and professional level of curriculum. We combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth over $5,000 a year on their own. These tools give you more information, help you make better decisions, increase your chances of success. Unfortunately, the majority of retail traders don't use them because they're expensive. We spend years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools and products on our platform at no additional cost to you. These are tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed and Squawk, congressional trading data, insider trading information, a simulator from ETNA to let you trade with fake money but real-time data. It's the same simulator used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, also Illinois Tech. You get TradingView's premium charting software with tick-for-tick real-time data by Quote Media. Unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, the trade ideas scanner, so much more. Now, yes, as a member of True Trading Group, of course, you get our courses, of course, you get our alerts, but you also get all of these things. We set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of being successful at one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to all of our members, most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Not to mention all the real-time trade alerts and the moderators and I that collectively as a group have been able to maintain a win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on the last 3 years. And of course, guys, if you work a full-time job or if you got busy schedules, all these tools, resources, trade alerts, everything is accessible on our mobile apps that are designed specifically to keep you connected no matter how busy you are or what you're doing. If you have a cell phone, a tablet, you can listen to music during the day, then you can listen in on the analysis and the trade alerts and receive the real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit their trades. So folks, if you are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here with myself, other THD Pro trading mods, and special guests. We'll drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you become better traders. So if you have still not yet done so, smash that like button right now, show some love, subscribe to the channel, and of course, turn on your notifications. Make sure that you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. And I mean, it's not even funny anymore. It really isn't. This is not even funny anymore. This is not a place for doubt. This is not a place for hate. This is next level stuff. And for those of you that really don't know what the hell it is that I'm talking about, I got a video clip from last night's live stream. Went live last night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, and I went over some specific game plans for you, and I made some specific statements and some specific calls. So let's go ahead real quick. Let's roll this clip from last night's live stream. Because last week, the markets were kind of asleep. This week, the stock market's getting smelling salts. It's getting a shot of adrenaline. And I cannot wait for these catalysts are going to absolutely undoubtedly move this market, which is CPI inflation data. And then you've got the Fed meeting the week after, all while we get jobs data every single week. Those jobless claims numbers are very important. And all of this is happening this month while you have literally one of the most volatile months of the entire year, which is the month of September. So all of this works in our favor as traders to provide for us some amazing money-making opportunities. That's why I'm so excited. Listen, I had a great time on vacation. I really honestly did. It was absolutely incredible, but damn, I am happy to be back because this is going to be a big week. And I'm telling you right now, I'm making money this week. Vacation's over. Summer's over. The kids are back at school. It's time for us adults to play. There you guys have it. That's me last night telling you that I'm back from vacation. I wasn't here last week. I took the week off, enjoyed some nice relaxing time, but I'm happy to be back. And I couldn't think of a better time to be back because it's the month of September. It's the month of September where the markets are usually weak. And I told you last night that I'm going to be making money this week. And that is exactly what we did today. Unbelievable day inside of True Trading Group today. You had not one, but two triple-digit gains on top of a 91% gain. Just an unbelievable day for us today. Okay. An Uber swing trade from last week, a 234% gain exited today. That is a call option on Uber in at 50 cents. Out at $1.67 by Uni, one of our moderators, Andrea Weber. Just an unbelievable trade. Congratulations to members that caught it. Then you had NVIDIA, another swing trade, 109% gain, swing trade from last week, input options, 109% gain. And then today, myself, Tesla, day trade to the long, 91% gain on the call option there for members inside of True Trading Group. It was an absolutely ridiculous day. Take your pick. Tons of variety. You're talking about a day trade today on a really volatile stock like Tesla. So you got your volatility, you got high volatility as a day trade. Then you got NVIDIA, which is high volatility as a swing trade. So you got the day trade, you got the swing trade, and then you got Uber, which is typically lower volatility. You don't have to be trading Tesla or NVIDIA or Adobe or Netflix in order for you guys to make money in this market. This is not that type of environment. This is the type of environment that no matter where you look, no matter if you're trading small caps, mid caps, large caps, low volatility, high volatility, you're day trading, you're swing trading, it doesn't matter. That's how much opportunity is in this market. I tell you this, I sound like a broken record. I'm actually honestly getting real tired of saying it. I come in these live streams every single day and I try to explain to you how much opportunity is in this market. I take a week off. I come back yesterday and I tell you, we're going to be making money this week. I'm back in the saddle. Vacation's over. The kids are back at school. Everybody is back at their desk this week. A lot of people took last week off. It's like the unofficial end of summer, right? The markets were closed on Monday. People are traveling. They're kind of getting their last minute summer vacations in. The kids are back at school. So they're spending time there and taking kids to school and doing all these other things. But this is when the real fun begins. It's this week. And I told you last night that that's what was going to happen today. And it did. And it's variety. It's low volatility Uber. It's high volatility Tesla or high volatility NVIDIA. There's something here literally for everybody, guys. And in case you're maybe thinking, oh, maybe I'm the only one, or maybe the moderators were the only ones that made money, you'd be wrong. You'd be wrong to think that the moderators are the only ones that made money from these trades. Watch this. Don't believe me? Cool. Members of True Trading Group, do me a favor. Type the number 1 in chat right now if simply you're making money and you're becoming a better trader because of TTG. I want you to go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Anyone that is not a member of True Trading Group, pay very close attention to how many people you are going to see. Type the number 1 on this side of the screen. Every single one of these people that you're about to see type the number 1 are your peers. They are no different from you. They're your friends, your family, your coworkers. If they can do it, so can you. They've all had the exact same amount of excuses you've given yourself. So if they can do it, why can't you? Is it because they're luckier than you? No. Is it because they're smarter than you? No. It's just because they've actually received a real professional education. They're guided every day by 9 professional traders through every single trading session. They have access to the best tools available in the industry. This is why this many people are typing the number one. It's not because I shared with them some secret pattern or some special top secret indicator that Wall Street doesn't want retail traders to know about. It's not because I have some special super top secret supercomputer AI algorithm. That's not why these people are making money. And what's that? You guys think that maybe, all these people that are making money, maybe they all have large accounts they can capitalize on a more expensive stock like Tesla or a more expensive stock like NVIDIA? You'd also be wrong. Very big common misconception is that you need to have tens of thousands of dollars in your account in order to make money. And that is also not true. You don't believe me? Great. Watch this. Members, you know the drill. Tell me right now, if you guys started True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in your trading account, I want you to tell me in chat right now, what did you start with when you joined? If you started with less than $1,000, tell me. It's a very big misconception. People think that you need tens of thousands of dollars to do this. You don't. Now, if you want to have a margin account and not be bound by the PDT rule, then yes, you've got to have more than 25K in your account, but you do not need that to make money in this market. You can learn to trade options. We will teach you, we will show you, we can follow our trades, trade options on a cash account. That's how so many of these members are able to do this. Take a look, $500, $500, $400, $500. Summer Girl, $800 is already up to $1,300. Yoda, $800. Okay. You are seeing right now, you do not need tens of thousands of dollars in order for you to make money. Dylan Carson started with $500, is almost at $1,000 within his first 3 weeks as a member. These are not coincidences. This is the result of a product and a service that works, period. You know what? You think that all these people that are telling you that they're making money, you think that they have some unlimited amount of time to be able to make these trades? You think they're sitting in front of their computers all day long, staring at charts and scanners every second of the day? You'd also be wrong. Again, another big misconception is that you cannot do this if you have a busy schedule. You can't do this if you work a full-time job. Now, if this was 20 years ago, I'd say, yeah, you know what? You really can't do this because the access wasn't there. That is no longer the case now. And I'll prove this to you again. Members of True Trading Group, if you guys are making money while working a full-time job, do me a favor, type number one and tell me what you do for a living. Just type the number one and tell me what you do for a living. Anyone that's on this live that's not a member, pay attention to the amount of people that are going to come in here and read some of the professions that they have. Take a look and see for yourself. See if maybe somebody does the same thing that you do for a living. Boat mechanic, carpenter, a barber, a sales manager, accounting representative. Right, guys, take a moment, read some of these comments. Equipment operator, a family physician, right? Read some of these. Customer service manager, coil tubing. Yes, Heather Hill says I'm a full-time trader now, thanks to TTG. Way to go, Heather. I'm so proud of you. Winery worker, okay, architect, right? I'm not going to keep reading all these professions, but you guys go ahead, take a look. Read them. See if you see someone that maybe does the same thing for a living that you do. I told you less than 24 hours ago that this was going to happen today. I told you that I was back from vacation and I was calling it like Babe Ruth. Like Babe Ruth pointing to the outfield, calling his home run before he actually hit it. I told you last night on this live stream, less than 24 hours ago, that I'm making money this week, that we are making money this week. And it could not have started out any better. And this is only the beginning. This is only the start. This week gets a hell. Did you guys hear that thunder? I don't know if you guys just heard that thunder or not. I don't know if you guys just picked it up, but that's what's going on outside of my house right now. This week gets a hell of a lot more interesting and a hell of a lot more volatile. You got CPI data coming up this week. Next week, you got the Fed meeting. We're going to get more jobless claims information on Thursday. And September is historically the weakest month of the year. When I say weakest, I'm not talking about volume or interest. I'm talking about price action. Okay, I'm talking about price action. Okay, I'm talking price action. Sorry, guys. Adam's making me laugh. I'm talking price action. So typically, historically, the month of September, the markets go down, right? It's the worst performing month in the calendar year over time. You had a big crash in the markets in September last year. Is that a sign of what's to come this year? You had a lot going on and a lot of catalysts that are coming up here that are going to impact what happens here. And that's CPI and that's the Fed meeting, both occurring over the next 2 weeks. This is why I told you that I was excited to be back from vacation. This is why I told you that there's going to be some tremendous money-making opportunities. We're changing lives here at True Trading, guys. We're helping people to make money. We're helping people to become successful. We're helping people to become the very best versions of themselves. It was a slow week last week, but this week it's all changed. Everybody is back. So if you thought it was a slow week, get ready for, like when smelling salts, you put smelling salts under a football player when they get knocked out, or that scene from Pulp Fiction. Okay. That scene from Pulp Fiction, when Uma Thurman gets a shot of adrenaline and she pops back up. That's the stock market. That's the stock market this week. And I got to give a shout out also to the TTG Mastermind members. I heard you guys are killing it. There's a lot of new Mastermind members. Trader by blood, not relation. Just cracked is going to be doing a 7-figure year for his business. So huge shout out to Trader by blood, not relation. Rip City Trader. 6 green weeks in a row trading and going to cross the 7-figure mark for his business. Unbelievable. Username Sky Junkie, started his own business, launched a brand new business, and is starting to have success with it already. So just congratulations, guys. So big shout out to all of our TG Mastermind members. I hear you guys are absolutely killing it and had a ridiculous AI boot camp over the weekend that I'm sure you guys are excited to implement into your own trading, into your businesses, into your personal and professional lives. A lot of stuff going on here at True Trading, guys. This is what I'm talking about how we are changing lives. We're helping people to become better versions of themselves. $1,000 in a paper account 3 times in 6 months. I've traded up to $10,000 using the education from True Trading Group. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Reaper Trades. Great job. Really great job. So this is why I'm excited, folks, because if the Fed is done, and I'll tell you right now, I think the Fed is done. I think they're going to pause here in September. I do not anticipate the Fed to raise rates, not this week, but next week. I don't anticipate a rate hike next week. But what I do think that if the Fed is done, and I mean, I'm not just pausing, if they're done, it is really, really hard for even the most bearish of people to not at least consider the very real possibility of a soft landing. I got to tell you, soft landings are extremely rare, but they have happened. And what we have seen so far from this economy, the resiliency from the consumer, the strength of the labor market, you've got one of the best chances of pulling off that soft landing, especially if the Fed is done. So even if you are the most bearish, even if you still think there's going to be a recession, you have to look at the data and at least say, damn, this soft landing really is possible. And as it stands right now, it's even the likely scenario. You still have a couple of different investment banks and funds and analysts that are still think that recession is their base case scenario. But over the last 3 months, you have seen a dramatic shift in the analyst community and and amongst economists and amongst, investment banks. You've seen a massive shift from people that were saying recession was their base case to now saying that no recession is their base case. So you can't argue with what the data actually is. But if the Fed stops, if the Fed is done, I mean, inflation's coming down, right? If inflation continues to come down, the jobs market is still strong. People are employed. And even if they lose their job, they're finding another job quickly. That's what the jobs data showed last week. last week on Thursday, you got continuing jobless claims and initial jobless claims numbers. Initial jobless claims is when you first file for unemployment. The continuing jobless claims is when you stay on those benefits because you cannot find another job. Okay. The initial claims drastically under expectations last week. And then the continuing claims drastically under expectations. That means people are finding jobs quickly, even if they lose them. And that's the sign of a truly strong jobs market. There are no soup kitchens. There's no bread lines that are out there. And a lot of people thought there would be at this time. Inflation's coming down. When everybody was screaming crash, 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 depression, depression, you actually have a setup here for a very realistic possibility of a soft landing. And I'll tell you what, if dare I say it, that you have the potential of a Santa Claus rally. It all depends on what happens with this data as we go forward, right? But think about it for a second. Like, be open-minded to this possibility because it's becoming more and more likely, even if you are bearish. Think about it. If the Fed is done raising rates, if inflation continues on this path and continues on this trajectory and continues to go down like it has, and the jobs market remains strong, you're going to have so many hedge fund managers that missed the rally in 2023 that are not positioned for it, that have not been positioned for it, that are chasing performance, that are underperforming the overall markets, and they're going to chase performance going into the end of the year. And that chase of performance, which is why the markets rallied in June, that chase in performance could give you a rally into the end of the year, knowing now that the Fed has stopped, if the Fed stops, knowing that the Fed has stopped, and inflation continues to come down. You could get a Santa Claus rally. It's possible. But this is what we're trying to do here, guys. We're trying to help people get to where they want to go, helping people learn to fish, learn to stand on their own 2 feet, learn how to make money on their own. This is my job. This is our business of True Trading Group, and business folks is a booming. A lot going on this week. A lot going on the rest of the month, right? Like I said, summer's over. You got the Fed meeting. You got CPI data. All of this is coming out here in the next 2 weeks. They're going to continue to create some tremendous trading opportunities for us as traders. So that's where we're at, folks. That's where we're at. And I told you guys this yesterday. I'm interested to see how many people that we have on this live stream. I did something real special for you guys yesterday. I mean, yeah, we gave away $1,000 in the live stream yesterday. That was a whole lot of fun, but I did something even more special for people yesterday. And I'm curious to see how many people are on this live stream that are not members, because if there's enough people that are not members, I might do something special for you guys again, like I did yesterday. Do me a favor and type the letters TTG in chat if you guys are not members of True Trading Group. Do me a favor and type TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Just type the letters TTG. Again, just type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Like I said, if there's enough people here, I might do something special for you guys like I did last night. Sean Johnson, Crazy Guy, Clay Moore, Shane Den, Tom, Paros, Farage, Wolf Tactics. Juno Me goes, oh my God, just join. All right, cool. Yaz, Jason, eat cheesecake. I love cheesecake. Excellent. All right. So listen, here's what I'll do. So for those of you, Peter, for those of you that are typing TTG, this is what I did yesterday. Now, like I told you, I wasn't here last week. I was on vacation. You know, we did a couple of days with no live streams like we usually do. And we were running a sale that was 57% off of our normal annual membership. And because I wasn't here last week, it was me coming back, getting back in the saddle. It's going to be a huge week. I extended it for people yesterday. So if you maybe didn't have a chance because we didn't do the live streams last week, if you didn't have a chance to grab the membership for the 57% discount, I extended it yesterday. I will extend that courtesy again here today. So for those of you that are typing TTG, do yourselves a favor. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Open up a new web browser. Go to ttgoffer.com. Seriously, just go pull it up. I want to show you something. Everything you see on that page is included when you join our annual membership. There are no upsells for these things. There's no hidden costs. There's no additional fee. Our price is normally $2,212 for the year. However, if you use the coupon code, which I'm going to extend to you here today, TTG121, you have to manually enter that coupon code yourself. Click apply code. The price will drop from $2,212 all the way down to $950. So for $950 for the entire year, you get every single thing that is listed on that page. Our entire 22 course curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. It's all there for you. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, insider trading. If you went to Benzinga directly, just that stuff would cost you around $1,400 a year. You can join True Trading Group now for $950 with this coupon code. It includes all that. You also get Quote Media's full book level 2, TradingView's premium charting software, a simulator that lets you trade with fake money but real-time data so you can practice implementing what you are learning in the courses. Our various AI tools, our AI trading assistants that can identify chart patterns, give you news sentiment, all of it to help you come up with aggressive versus conservative trading strategies. All this included. You don't have to pay anything extra for these things. The Trade Idea Scanner, scan is on our platform for you guys. Streams on our platform during the day for you can use it and focus on what are the hottest stocks during the day, where you should be focusing your attention. We have our own proprietary scan. We let you create custom scans. You've got dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. This data is very expensive. Some of you may pay for this stuff already. You should have access to it. You should be using it. Most people don't because it's expensive. But I think you need it. In order to give yourself the very best chance of finding success, you need these things. It's like going off to battle, going off to war with a water gun. You are not going to be successful. You need the ammunition to win. And training is no different. Think of these tools as your ammunition. Think of these tools as your weapons. The better you are, the better equipped you are, the more chance you have of succeeding. That's why we spent years building relationships with these companies to put these products on our platform so you don't have to pay for them. That's why most retail traders don't use them, because they're very expensive. So usually it's just the professionals that use them because they're the ones that have the money to pay for these things. You also get a trading journal that tracks all your trades for you and breaks it down to the statistics. You get a social sentiment scanner that tells you what's being talked about most on social media, analyst ratings on any stock that you're interested in. The watch list from the moderators and I every day with the stocks we're focused on with entry and exit prices. 600 hours of workshops inside our video library, and then you can attend all those live once you become a full-time member. All of this is included for the $950. I'm going to extend this offer one more time here tonight, and we'll give out 10 more laptops here today. It was a big day today. We still don't have laptops, but we're going to buy 10 more because it was a big day in chat. 234% gain, 109% gain, and a 91% gain, all in chat today. So needless to say, it was a big day, so we have no problem buying us some laptops. So the next 10 people to go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops down to $950. You see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. See that laptop? That is how you know that you're getting one. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 countries. I assure you, I'll get you the laptop. It's free. It's a Windows laptop. It's going to be either a brand new Asus, Acer, HP, Dell, or Lenovo laptop. Use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay and put the money back in your account. I don't care. It's our gift to you when you guys join True Trading Group. I also stand behind this platform and I put my money where my mouth is, and this is how I prove it to you. When you join True Trading Group, I'm going to give you guys a double your money back guarantee. This is how it works. You'll join tonight, you'll pay $950. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend a study group, and are still unable to make the $950 membership fee back at least one time during your membership, I'm going to give you back double your money. So you'll pay $950. If you can't make $950 at least once, I'll give you back $1,900. That's the deal. Now, I can offer you that here because no other company is going to do that. No other group or service is going to offer you double your money back. None of them do. You can go and check yourself. So why do I do that? Because I stand behind the product and the platform that we've created. And I believe so strongly in its ability to help you reach your goals that I put my money where my mouth is. And our refund rate is only 2.39%. If our refund rate was 10 or 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. But it's 2.39, so I can. We have a 78% retention rate. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,300 reviews. This is why I'm able to offer you double your money back. All you've got to do is go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. If you have any questions, listen carefully. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Text us, 786-505-4049. That phone number is at the bottom of your screen, 786-505-4049. Text that number right now if you guys have any questions at all about True Trading Group. Questions about the laptop, about myself, our trading, questions about the double your money back guarantee, the tools, anything. You guys have questions, you send a text to that phone number right now. All right. Now you don't have to enter your address when you sign up to get the laptop. You're going to get a welcome email with instructions how to claim the laptop. So be on the lookout for it. All right. So ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, 57% discount. I'm extending it here today. Free laptop, double your money back guarantee. Grab one now. Let's take things now back on over to the charts. Let's talk about what was an absolutely massive day today. Tesla. Beast. Stock's up 10% today. Absolutely massive move in Tesla today. This was my number one trade idea for the day. Every single morning before the markets open, the moderators and I tell you exactly the stocks that we are focused on with exact entry and exit points. It takes the guessing out of your trading. Lean on us. This is what we do for a living. Lean on our analysis. Let us do the heavy lifting for you. I understand you are busy. You've got stuff going on. You've got work. You've got meetings. You've got deadlines. You've got asshole bosses. I get it. I don't have any of those things. Lean on the 9 professional traders and myself to identify these opportunities for you on a daily basis. This is one of the things that makes True Trading Group different. You don't have to worry about just chasing alerts. And by the time you get an alert, you're buying in, but the trader that you're following is now getting out and you're stuck chasing your tail. We tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. Today, my Tesla, that trade lasted a couple hours, not a couple seconds, not a couple minutes, a couple hours. Uber, 234%. That lasted a couple days. NVIDIA, 109%. That lasted a couple days. I don't care how busy you are. You all could get into a position today and get out of it 2 days from now. You all have that capability. Why do I know you have that capability? Because you all have one of these. And this is all it takes. Use the mobile app that is available on our platform. Let's take things on over. I've got a video clip I want to show you guys from this morning. I want you to get an idea of the type of analysis that you get from us before the market opens. Because today, the clip I'm going to show you now, the clip I showed you before was from YouTube. That was on this YouTube channel less than 24 hours ago. But the clip I'm going to show you now is not from YouTube. It's actually from inside of the True Trading Group chat room. This is the pre-market session. We call this the Colada Club, right? Where I'm going over my trade ideas for the day. And I always tell people what are my top ideas. And Tesla today was my number one trade idea of the day for these reasons. Let's go ahead and play that clip. My number one trade idea today is long Tesla. That is my number one trade idea today. The upgrade today by a well-respected analyst at Morgan Stanley to a buy rating and an overweight rating with a $400 price target, citing AI as the reason that they're giving this rating increase, has Tesla really starting to push today, up 6.5%. Stock's up $16. All right, we're up $16. What I'm looking for on Tesla is a pullback into the low 260s. Now, if you look at the bottom left of my screen, you will see this previous resistance level that we had there at the end of August. Okay, we have broken above that level in the pre-market. Then you had that little brief pullback, and then we held above that level. And now you're getting this follow-through move to the upside. We know that Tesla, when that stock gets momentum, we know that that thing can run. So on the back of the markets being higher today, the markets are stronger. You got this analyst upgrade. I'm looking long Tesla, so we're going to look for, if early off the open, if there's a quick pullback to like 261, 262, that's where I'm going to look to try to start building myself into this long. Okay. Listen to what was just said. Early off the open, quote, you just heard it yourself. Early off the open, I'm looking for a pullback to 261, 262, and I'm going to get long. So every member in True Trading Group knew if Tesla got to 261, I was going to buy it. I told people if they want to look at options, I'd look at the 265 strike, this Friday expiration, which is the 9:15 call. So the 9:15, 265, or the 270 strike. Could have taken your pick. And that is what members were able to be looking for and have up on their screen, ready to pull the trigger before the market even opened. We have to welcome Talia. Talia, welcome to the True Trading Group family. That means we have 9 of these laptops left, guys. Again, you'll know you're getting one if you see a laptop in the checkout cart. So all you've got to do, and I would do it now. There's only 9 left. They're not going to last until midnight. Open up a new web browser. Go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included. No additional costs, no hidden fees, no upsell. Everything on that page is included for $9.50. Use the coupon code. You have to manually type it in yourself. The code is TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down 57% to $9.50. You see a laptop in your checkout cart. That's how you guys know that you're getting one. And don't forget, you got the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. It's there to allow you guys to hold us accountable for the services that we provide. You have any questions? Don't hesitate. Text us 786-505-4049. So let's get back to this Tesla chart. Let's talk about this a little bit. So you just heard me say, if we pull back early off the open, real quick pullback into the low 260s, I'm going to get long. Now, I trade the equities, so I bought the stock at $261.40. So $261.40. Members got into either the September 15th 265 call or the September 15th 270 call. Now, the 265 call, members got in around $4.80, and that went all the way to like $11 or $12. I didn't even check to see where it went today. But by where I got out of this position, it was around $9.50 on the call option. It was right around $9.50 from a $4.80 entry, which is good for like 95% or 91%, whatever that it was. Let's take it to the charts. Let's actually pay attention. Let's look at this. Now, you'll see, you heard me talk about this on the video clip. You look at all that resistance that you had back there on the 30th and 31st. So you see a little flat top resistance back there on the 30th and the 31st. We gapped above that level today. I'll take you even to a daily chart so I can zoom this in. I can show you this even more. So here it is now on the daily chart. See that resistance level right there? See these little multiple tops right there? You gapped above it today. And that's why I said, now that we're above that resistance, I'm looking for that level to become support. So that's why right off the open, we got that quick pullback into that level. And here's now back to the 3-minute chart. There's that zone. And that's why, folks, I stepped in right there on that opening bell candle. That opening candle right there, that is where I bought the stock. You can't make this stuff up. Right here is where we got long today on Tesla. Damn near bottom ticked the dead low of the day. There is my fill on the very first candle, 261.40. The low of the day is 260.61. Are you kidding? There's the entry right at the level. We told members, if we pull back to 261, we're getting long. You heard the video clip, and the rest is history. The stock absolutely exploded today. Strongest stock in the entire market. Number one trade idea for the day. And members were able to capitalize just around on 100% gain. Some people that bought the 270 call went over 100%. You bought the 265 call, went around like 90 to 95%. Way to go, Travis. Travis said, I nailed that trade. I made $3,000 to $4,000 on Tesla today. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Congratulations, Travis. And Travis isn't alone, right? A lot of people killed it today on this Tesla trade. And it's because of this analysis. You get this stuff every single day. No more guessing. We got to welcome AJ. We got to welcome AJ. AJ, welcome to the TTG family. Eight spots now remain. 8 spots remain. Everybody welcome AJ. Guys, again, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $950. Stop missing opportunities like this, guys. They're everywhere. They're everywhere, and they're every day. So congratulations, all of our members in TTG that hit this Tesla trade with me. Was an absolute thing of beauty. And I'll walk you through the take profits. I know walking through the take profits. There's the entry. My first take profit came off there in front of the high of the day. My second take profit came off there through the high of the day. Then I held on to some more, and then I got more profits off here. And then my final take profit was here. All right, so there are my take profits there on the Tesla trade. We got to welcome Dolly. Dolly's the newest member. Dolly just joined, guys. Now 7 spots left. 7 spots left now. Everybody welcome Dolly. Guys, remember, if you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. See a laptop, that's how you know you're getting one. All right. 7 of them left. You have to manually enter that coupon code, TTG121. You don't have to enter your address. You're going to get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim the laptop. So again, be on the lookout for that welcome email. All right, so Dolly, welcome to the family. 7 spots now remain. So there it is, guys. That's trade of the day today for me on Tesla. Absolutely beautiful analysis, and we ripped those profits off. Members killed it. Super proud of you guys, and I just feel good to be back, man. Don't get me wrong. I really enjoyed my vacation, but I miss you guys. I miss being back in the trenches. You know, I miss the action. You know, I'm an adrenaline junkie, and I love the adrenaline that trading provides for me day after day. Now we got to welcome David. David's the newest member. David just joined, so we are now down to just 6. All right, we are now down to just 6. Everybody welcome David, newest member of the group. Newest member of the group. Everybody welcome David. Guys, these laptops are going quick. I would hurry up and grab one. They're free. If you don't want them, just sell it on eBay. I don't care. Put the money back in your account. We got to welcome Karu. 5 now remain. These are flying. 5 now remain. I told you guys I was going to do you a solid. If enough people said they weren't members, I was going to do you a solid. I was going to extend that sale as a courtesy. It was a great day for us in chat. It's going to be a big week. I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. I told you yesterday, right? I came on the live stream yesterday. I told you it's going to be a big week. I told you we're going to make money this week. And then here we go. Today, we're already accomplishing that. I'm telling you now, again, this is just the beginning. These catalysts over the next 2 weeks are going to really move this market. And the bigger the market moves, the bigger the individual stocks within them move. Now is the perfect time for you guys to get your butts on inside of chat. Use all the tools, no additional cost. Get your free laptop, double your money back guarantee to protect yourself. It's all there for you. choice is up to you. You can either choose to continue to sit on the sidelines, wait for the right time while all of these opportunities pass you by. Are you kidding me? In one day, in the same day, 3 moderators exiting 3 different trades for 234%, 109%, and 91%. 3 different trades, 3 different moderators, all in the same day. That's insane. I've been doing this for over 17 years. I've traded through bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets. I've seen every single economic cycle that you can think of. That's not normal. You're not supposed to be able to hit triple-digit gains every day, never mind multiple a day. It's just not normal. That's the environment we're in. And maybe it is. Maybe, you know what? Honestly, I've been saying it's not normal for the last 2 years. Maybe this is the new normal. And if it is, I'm the happiest person on planet Earth because what is already the world's greatest job just got even better. Okay? And it just means it just got even better because it's small caps, it's mid caps, it's large caps, it's everywhere. Martin, welcome to the family. Martin, welcome to the TG family, guys. Now we're down to just 4. So there are 4 spots left now for these laptops. 4 spots left. Grab what's yours, guys. You know what? Too many people, whether you join True Trading Group or not, if you take anything away from myself and this YouTube channel, let it be that this is for you. Right? The stock market is not just a place for the wealthy and the elites to play. It's not reserved for people that have millions of dollars. It's open to everyone. You deserve this opportunity, and you can seize this opportunity. You just have to understand how to play the game. There's not another profession in the world that you would just show up one day without any training and think you're going to have success. I use the example, I can't just show up at a construction site one day and hop inside a crane and think I'm going to operate that crane safely and effectively. I need someone that has been operating that crane for years to show me how to use it. Now, I think I'm a smart enough person that if I'm given good enough instruction, that I could then execute that task efficiently. I feel pretty good that you all feel you are that exact same type of person. I think you all feel pretty comfortable that if you are given good enough direction, you can execute on a task effectively. Is that a fair assumption? Would it be fair to say that you all feel that you are intelligent enough that if shown the right way to do something, that you can replicate that action, you can replicate that procedure and that strategy? If you think you are that type of person, then this is for you. But if you're going to just treat the stock market like a casino and you're going to just show up, not have any idea what you're doing, not bother to learn from anyone that's more experienced and successful than you, and just going to go ahead and YOLO options looking for the next mother of all short squeeze, then yes, you're going to fail. You're going to fail miserably. You're going to lose money, but you're not really losing money. People like me are taking it from you because successful traders in the market, they feed off of people that have no idea what they are doing. You have to realize every time that you make a trade, there is somebody else on the other side. You're not just buying shares off of a shelf somewhere. Someone is selling them to you. So do you feel that you are prepared enough, that you're educated enough, that you are armed with the right weapons to go to battle with another trader every single day? That's how you got to start thinking about this, because that's the reality of it. When I bought my shares of Tesla today at 261.40, somebody sold them at 261.40 and is now regretting it. I won, they lost. That's how this works. Stop letting other people take your hard-earned money. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop to $950. Check out. You're good to go. As long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that is how you know that you're getting one. It's as simple as that. Double your money back guarantee. Again, if you can make back $950 at least once during the membership, I'll give you back $1,900. That's the deal. You just have to go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. We do them every week. I'm telling you, I'm asking you to attend one. That's it. So there you have it, folks. Again, you have any questions, don't hesitate. 786-505-4049. Text us. All right, folks, that concludes the educational part of the live stream and the trade recaps on the day. You know, this was a strong day in the markets. I did not expect this. When we woke up this morning, last night when I was doing the live stream, we finished at around, 10 o'clock or so. By the time we finished the live stream, 9:30. And the futures were weak. The future session was weak. We were like basically flat. We were up earlier. We pulled back. So I wasn't really expecting much this morning. I was expecting us to stay underneath the 50-day moving average, which is the dark blue line you see on my screen. But then when I woke up this morning, we had this big gap up. So like while we were sleeping, the markets really moved higher and we got back above the 50-day moving average. And this 50-day moving average has really, really been a very reliable piece of support and resistance depending on price of where we are. Because on Friday, we were underneath the blue line and it became resistance. The high of the day is the blue line. Then today we got above it and the low of the day is the dark blue line. So it was resistance, now support. Keep relying on intraday moves off of that 50-day moving average. And I expect us to stay within this range, right, until Wednesday. I expect us to stay within this range until Wednesday. So you've got the major catalyst Wednesday morning, 8:30 a.m. That's CPI. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on the live stream. We'll go over what we think about CPI. If this, then that scenarios. If the number comes in under, what do we do? If the number comes in higher, what do we do? If it comes in line, what do we do? Right? We're going to go over all that stuff with you guys tomorrow. All right. So, folks, that wraps up the educational part of the live stream. If you are not interested in the membership at all, you may sign off the live stream now. Subscribe to the channel before you go. If you are interested, let me actually show you the platform. All right. I'll show you guys the actual platform so you can see for yourself what the 950 is going to get you. Okay. Because it is an all-inclusive membership. Right here on the screen is our chat room. The chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live in the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions, providing market commentary. We got the mobile app. You can't be in front of your computer. Use the mobile app. See the screen share. Listen to the audio commentary. Get real-time push notifications when mods enter and exit trades. That's how so many of our members are able to do this or working a full-time job. You're going to get 2 study groups with our mods to speed up your learning curve. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. You're going to get congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by management teams. Just that alone costs you $1,400 if you go to Benzinga directly. It's included when you join our platform for $950. You also get TradingView's premium charting software. One of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. It's about $600 a year if you go to TradingView directly, free with your membership included. The Trade Idea Scanner streams on our platform so you can focus on the hottest stocks during the day. Our simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money but real-time data so you can practice implementing what you're learning before you risk your hard-earned cash. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, all included when you guys join our platform. No additional costs, no upsell, no hidden fee. All included in the $950. A trading journal will track your trades for you, and a social sentiment scanner will tell you what's being talked about most on social media. You'll also get analyst ratings on any company stock that you're interested in, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. The watch lists every day from the moderators to tell you what stocks we're focused on with entry and exit prices like I just showed you today on Tesla. Then you have all of our courses. Simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. It's all included. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. It's all included. Then you got a video library with like 600 hours of workshops and webinars covering a variety of different topics. And you can start attending these workshops live once you guys become full-time members. Now, gang, listen, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just because you join True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend the study group, and actually use our platform. Don't just log on to our site 10 times all year and then say I didn't make any money. Use the platform, courses, quizzes, study group. Courses, quizzes, study group. Do those things. And if you do not make the $950 membership fee back at least once during the membership, I'll give you back $1,900. And you can keep the laptop. That's the deal. Our refund rate is only 2.39%. That's why I can do it. 78% of our members renew their membership. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,300 reviews. Go check them out for yourself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to text us. We're fully transparent. We're an open book. Anything you want to know, 786-505-4049. Again, go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. There are 4 laptops left. If you're watching this live stream after it's aired, if you go to ttgoffer.com and you see that laptop icon up there, that's how you know you're getting a laptop. You see one, you're getting one. You don't see one, that means you've sold out. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. My members, congratulations on a ridiculous day. Uber, NVIDIA, Tesla, monster. Congratulations. Let's keep this going. Tomorrow's a brand new day, brand new trade opportunities, brand new chances to make money. That's what I love so much about this damn job. Best damn job I ever had. Name the movie. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a great night, guys. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. I'll see you all.